Your 3D printer came with compromises built in, and 3 simple upgrades can fix most of them. If you're fighting stringing, bed adhesion problems, or failed prints, you're probably dealing with the cheap components manufacturers swap in to hit a price point. The good news is swapping them out yourself can cut your failure rate by more than half. Start with a BLTouch auto bed leveling sensor. It eliminates manual tramming completely and gives you consistent first layers even on warped beds. Next, if you want to print nylon, polycarbonate, or anything above 250 degrees, you need an all-metal hotend. The Micro Swiss or Slice Engineering Mosquito replaces that PTFE liner that starts breaking down and releasing fumes at higher temps. Third, upgrade to a dual-gear extruder like the Bondtech BMG. It grips filament from both sides, which drops dimensional variance from plus or minus 0.15 millimeters down to 0.05. One last quality of life win. Swap your glass bed for a spring steel PEI sheet. Magnetic, flexible, and your prints pop right off when it cools. Check the full guide at NozzleDown.com, link in the description.